Hello, grade 5 students. Today, our lesson MS Excel Unit 3. Okay, let's talk about the Excel. How can I open Excel? From Start menu or from search, I can type Excel then, or from the desktop or from the taskbar, then I can open the Excel program. Okay, now how can I select cells in the Microsoft Excel? Many of the operations of editing data require individual data to be selected before you can apply these operations. You can select one cell or many cells. I can select one cell or many cells, connected or separated from each other. How to select cells? The first way I can select cells using the mouse. Click on the cell you want to highlight, a black frame will appear around it. Look at this square or this cell. This is one cell. Now it has a black frame. This is the way how I select a one cell. Now highlight adjacent cells. Number one, click on the cell from which you want to start highlighting. For example, I want to start from P2 to drag towards the other cells to be selected until they appear highlighted in a color other than the color of the first cell selected. For example, B2 to D3. This is the D3. This is the way how I can select many cells together. Okay, now to selecting separated cells. B2, D2, and D2 and D9. I want to separated cells. What's the meaning of separated cells? All of you look at my screen. Click the cell from which you want to start shading. I want from B2. Okay, then drag towards the desired cells to D2. I want to D2. Then press and hold Ctrl on the keyboard. I press Ctrl, then drag the mouse toward the rest of the cells D3. Now from B2 to D2 and from D2 to D9. Where's D9? It's D9. This is the way I select separated cells. Press Ctrl on the keyboard and then you can select it separated cells. Now to highlight a row or a number of rows. To highlight a row, all of you look, I can highlight a row, I can highlight a column. Okay, I can highlight by double click on the number of the row or double click on the letter of the column. This is the way how can I select. I can use the keyboard. Place the mouse at the first cell you wish to select. I want to select this one. Okay, press shift on the keyboard. Use the directional keys to move towards. Then I press shift, then down, up, left, or right on the keyboard. This is the ways how can I select many cells. Now on lesson 2, how to copy, cut, and paste. Copying and pasting involve the act of creating a copy of one or more cells and then pasting them in a new location. Okay, let's type Ahmad, Omar, Yasin, and Sami. I have this row. I want to copy it. I highlight it. Okay, let's write Imad. Okay, let's select it and press copy from the right click of the mouse. Then go to the row 15, for example, then make paste. Okay, because not from the first. Okay, now this is the way I copy and paste, and I can cut again and paste it again. I can copy, cut, and paste. It's all the same. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, please send to me. If you want to copy from the keyboard, you can press Ctrl C and you can press Ctrl X. You can paste by Ctrl V. Thank you.